something. I have changed my cooking spot for some reasons and I want to tell you the reason. I'll tell you. So, coming to today's recipe, I'm going to conduct a small quiz for you all. So, the main ingredient I'm using is white in color, creamy and healthy. So, any guesses? Let me tell you, it is nothing but curd, dahi. So, this curd has very much probiotics in it. And now I want to tell you the reason why I changed my cooking spot. So, actually when I was making my the first recipe, that is custard, when I was standing near the stove, I could not stay for 10 minutes. But our mothers and grandmothers, they stand for hours and hours, guys. So, first, big hats off to all mothers and grandmothers. Thank you for making so much yummy, delicious food for us. And now coming to today's recipe. So that is veg dahi sandwich. It is a snack. And moms, I have a tip again for you. So, if your kid, that is my friend, doesn't like curd, matlab dahi. So, I also sometimes don't like it. So what they do, we have a very nice recipe, that is dahi sandwich. And if you make it and give it to your kid, it is going to be yummy delicious. Your kid will come and ask, Mama, I want it once again. Then I am saying for sure. So now let's get into the ingredients. Let's see the ingredients. So as I said, it is veg dahi sandwich. Dahi, bread slices and butter for applying on the bread. And here 1/2 cup grated cabbage, 1/2 cup boiled corn, 1/2 cup grated carrot and 1/2 cup finely chopped capsicum. So now coming to the spices, here I took 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of chaat masala and salt to taste. Now I want to say the measurement. I took the measurements for 4 sandwiches, that is for 2 people, me and my brother. So now before starting for the recipe, I want to show how to make the hum curd as I said in the ingredients. So let's see how to make hum curd. So this is the process to make hum curd or tight curd. Now we have to keep a bowl or a steel bowl. On it place a cloth and now take 1 cup of curd and now transfer it into this cloth. So I kept a bowl ready for transferring it, and now fold it like this. Make sure. Yeah, like this. And now we are going to remove the excess water into this bowl. So make sure that curd is not coming out. Now keep this bowl aside and now keep this into the refrigerator for 2 hours. Let's get into the procedure. So here we are taking the 1 cup of hum curd into our bowl. So now here I put it. Now here I am adding the vegetables. Corn, carrot, and last but not the least, capsicum. And now let's add our spices also. Chaat masala, black pepper powder, and salt for taste. Now let's mix all this mixture. Mix it into a good mixture. Now while mixing, I want to say something. So as I said in the first, when I was showing the quiz, then I said that curd has lots of probiotics in it. And now when I'm making this sandwich, I added even all the vegetables also, which has lots of vitamins. So here guys, I have mixed it well, as you can see. So now I'm keeping this mixture aside. Now bread, I'm taking the bread. Now butter I'm taking. Now we are going to spread on each layer. See, like this. Now, now I want to share something. So now, now we are going to put the stuffing. Now I want to say something. After we put the stuffing, so I wanted to toast it. As I said that if we are using no fire, so it's by your taste. Now spread it each layer like this. Okay. So now I want to say something, guys. Here I am using it for with toasting, but for some children, means my friends, some people like it in raw eating, means without toasting. But I like the flavor of toasting, so I am using with the toast. So now here it is ready. So here the filling is ready and the sandwich is ready. Now the remaining is the toasting. Here today I am using a toaster here. You can use a griller or a pan also. But if you don't have a griller or a toaster, then you have to use a pan, but in the presence of an adult. Now I am opening it. Now here I am placing the sandwiches on it. And now here I am keeping the sandwiches and closing the clip over here like this. So here you can see that the indication over here of the light, but when it is done, you can get the signal. The indicator is there for the signal. So here we got the indicator and my mom off it. So now see, it got golden brown over here and it's very delicious. The aroma is coming. So slowly, very carefully, it is really hot. So nicely pick it up. So I have take the 4 slices here also. So let's close it. So now here our sandwich is ready. So guys, here I already, before only starting the video, I garnished my plate with my favorite vegetables and my favorite chili and tomato ketchup. Now slowly I'll place it over here. So our veg dahi sandwich is ready, which is very much favorite of ours. Tasty, yummy, delicious and healthy. So now let's taste it. I'm really very excited. So let's taste it. Well, it's mesmerizing. So here, in this tiffin box or any tiffin box, you can pack this veg dahi sandwich for all of us. So guys, it is really amazing, and now it is your turn to prepare it and enjoy it with your family members. So please like, share, subscribe and comment, and please don't forget, stay home, stay safe. Bye.